Spider, I move my hips out, break the grip, delariva, by his hand, I stretch him out. I go for the first sweep we did, he posts his hand, I step, and I flow. Finish the arm bar. A lot of times too, you guys see, sometimes I'll go here and I'll go here, stretch the person out, and he's like really nervous, so he reaches over and grabs your collar. Bad decision. I have the triangle, right? You can switch. I don't need to hold his wrist. Go over here, that's fine. Right? When I'm like this here, I push him, stretch, he posts, I step, and now you see the knee is up by the shoulder. So this is going to rotate through this gap right here as I go. And now I got it. See? Nice and tight. Now I finish the arm bar, stop right, take his back. I can go over here. Sometimes I push him here, and I sit up, use my head. I go on single leg, and I just keep pulling this so the shoulder falls out. You see? So there's a lot of options that you guys can do. You don't have to go for the arm bar, but this is a really nice guard play, right? Anytime the person you guys start doing you're with somebody, you notice every time they want that warrior stance. Okay, and everybody's fast here. The second he just pushes on me here, now I'm slow. Now I have to clear grips and break, right? So you want to slow the person down. Does this make sense? All right, let's go. 1, 2.